We are preparing for our small garlic gardening. Okay, we are making a plot for our garlic garden. You can do this you can do this at home. Do it your own in your home. This is for you can plant like this for home consumption for garlic. This is a plot. This is only a one. Okay. 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 Flatten na natin yung ating land area. So we will plant now this garlic. Okay. This rooted, you put it in under, downward like that. Okay. Almost 6 inches distance. Okay, we finish our planting seed garlics. Okay, we will wait for I will update you. Please subscribe, and I will update you on what is to happen in our garlic planting. Okay, mabuhay. Sa ating pagpa-plant ng garlic, it is important we mulch. Mulch means dry leaves. Yung mga dry leaves, yung mga dry leaves, ilagay natin sa over sa ating planted seeds ng garlic to protect it from direct sunlight, so much sunlight and so much rain. Okay.